Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today, in this video, I will tell you what is the definition of computer and what is the full form of computer. Now, let's start from definition of computer. Computer is an electronic machine that can store, find and arrange information, calculate amounts and control other machines. Now, next, full form of computer. C. Commonly. O. Operated. M. Machine. P. Particularly. U. Used for. T. Trade. And E. Educational or research. Thank you for like and watching my videos.